Let's explore the basics of pipe0 Sheets. Sheets is a flexible workspace for data enrichment and prospecting. You can start your table as an empty table and manually input data, or you can start by searching for prospects and companies or by importing data from a CSV. But the first thing you'll notice is that we're currently in production mode. To design our tables, it can be useful to move our entire table into test mode. In test mode, we can work with mock data that won't make much sense, but it helps you design your tables without consuming credits. So let's move our data into test mode. Now let's search for prospects that work for Microsoft.com. For this, we use ICP's lead database, and we only search for one result. After we found the results, we add the result to our table. Now it's time for some enrichment. Enrichments are called pipes in pipe0, and you can find them by pressing the pipes button. Let's look for an enrichment that finds the email address of our prospect. For this, we find the work email waterfall pipe. We can freely adjust the sequence and selection of providers to find a suitable email address. We can also see the credits that will be charged once an email address is successfully found. Let's add the find email pipe to our sheet and run it. You can see that the result is labeled as test data and will be removed once we move our sheet into production. As a last step, let's add a pipe that finds the latest news about the company our lead works for, as well as a pipe that composes a custom email address to our lead. For this, we use the profile information we found as part of the search, as well as the latest company news. Let's run this row in test mode one last time. Great, our table is working. We can now move it into production mode. When you move your table into production mode, you'll notice that all test data disappears by default. You can now repeat the search we did previously, but in production mode. This time you will see the real data and are able to enrich the real results.